Hey glam dolls, welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all fabulous today. I've been gone for so long. This is the longest break from YouTube I have ever taken. And if you hear my voice, it's because I'm super sick and it took everything in me to film today. And the video was supposed to go up today, which is Sunday, but it's probably not going to get up till tomorrow, which is Monday, and I'm really sorry. But it is life. So let me catch you up real quick on what's been going on with me. I originally was only going to take a few days off because it was my husband's birthday. And so he was on vacation and I just wanted to take some time and relax and spend some time with my husband and my kiddos. But then a lot of stuff ended up going down at my work. Like, seriously, like my life turned into a novella for like a good solid week and a half. But in the end, I ended up with a huge promotion and a huge raise and a new office, and I am so excited. I've only been at this place for a couple of months. As most of you know, I used to be an insurance agent, but recently I decided to change careers and go back into the law field, which is what I was originally doing. I went to school to be a paralegal. So I am back doing that now, and I am basically the manager of a law firm. So I am so excited, and I've only been there, like I said, like 2 or 3 months. So I'm just stoked, really, really stoked. And then after things settled down with that, I ended up getting super sick in the midst of it and went to urgent care the other day. And luckily it's nothing super serious. I just got to ride it out. My asthma has been really bad. Can't breathe. My allergies triggered all of this, and it's triggered my asthma and like my lungs to just go haywire. So I've been really sick. But I'm here, and I'm back. So I just didn't want to wait any longer because I have something super amazing for you guys. The giveaway I promised you guys is going to go up today. So you might want to stay tuned to the end of the video and see how you can get this bag full of goodies. Oh, and what is this? Is this the Sultry palette by Anastasia? Oh, it's upside down. This way? Is that what it is? I think it is. So definitely stay tuned for this amazing, amazing goodie gift bag full of a lot of limited edition stuff. All right, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and get into a look. Speaking of Sultry palette, I'm going to use my Sultry palette that I bought for myself, and we're going to go ahead and get into the look I'm wearing right now. All right, glam dolls, so we're going to start with our eyes first, and I'm first going to go in with Bloom as my transition. As you can see, I've already primed my eyes, and I look a little rough today, you guys. Please forgive me. I am so freaking sick right now, and I just look disgusting and crusty as hell, but we're pulling it together for the YouTube. So next I'm going to take a dystopian, the dark brown, and pat it on my outer corner. Excuse the dancing. My husband had Mac Dre on, so, you know, got to get stupid hyphy with it and, you know, blend and dance and blend and dance. So now we're just blending that into the crease and dancing some more, and then blending and dancing and blending and dancing. Just because I'm sick doesn't mean I can't have a good time. And then I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Concealer, and we're going to do kind of like a halfway cut crease. And I have hooded eyes, so I do my little hooded eyes trick where I put the concealer on the bottom part of the mobile lid and open my eyes really wide, and it stamps exactly where you need the line to go. So I'm just taking that right up to the dystopian color and just stopping right there because we only want that to go halfway. And then I'm going to go back with Bloom right after dystopian and kind of just pat that in there. And then I'm going to go into Rose Quartz, which is one of my favorite colors, and just pat that also right after Bloom, and I'm going to create this ombre effect. And then I'm going to take Pearl and finish off the rest of the eye. And now I'm going to go ahead and use Fresh to clean up my eyebrow bone and highlight. And Dystopian, we are going to take on the lower lash line and just kind of buff that out and take it up into the outer corner. And then Pearl is going to go on the inner corner lower lash line to highlight. And now I'm going to clean that all up just using my Neutrogena makeup wipes. And the reason why I did my eyes first is because the ABH eyeshadows are so freaking pigmented that they do have a tendency to stain. So I like to do my eyes first. Normally I do my makeup first, but you know. So I'm using the Wet n Wild Dewy Primer. This has become one of my favorite primers, you guys. And then I'm using both my number 7 foundations mixed together. These two I've had forever and never use them because I've been in such a cake face mode. But these, because my skin has been so freaking dry, oh my God, I have fallen in love with those foundations all over again. They, first of all, hold amazing, and they like just give you this luminosity. They look amazing. And then I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution concealer, as you can see, and using it on the center of my face to highlight and add a little more coverage under my eyes. And then I'm going back with the Beauty Blender with the number 7 and just blending them in so that way I'm not too washed out in the center. And now I'm using that Nikkie Tutorials Maybelline, I don't know if it's limited edition Master Chrome highlighter, but just in case, I am giving one of them away today. So you might want to stay tuned to the end and see how you can get in to win this gorgeous highlighter. And now I'm using the number 7 bronzer. Because I get so dry in wintertime, I'm no longer using setting powder and then, bronzer. I'm just going in with the bronzer and stuff first and just using setting powder on the center part of my face and under my eyes. But I don't want a lot of powder products on right now. I want to keep my face as luminous as possible. And now I'm going to take the Park Avenue Princess Tarte contour palette and use that cool toned brown in there to contour my cheeks and forehead and my jawbone. And the only thing with, doing the bronzer and stuff first is you have to go really really light-handed because you're putting it right on top of the foundation, so it's going to be really, really dark, which is something, I'm having to work with a little bit. So I'll just look really, really tan today. And I'm taking my Orgasm Blush by NARS and just sweeping that on my cheeks for a little flush of pink. And now we're going to go back to the eyes, and I'm just going to line my waterline on my upper lash line and lower lash line with a black liner. And now I'm going to take the Butter London Glazing liquid liner and just do a quick little winged liner. It's been a while since I've used liquid liner. I've been on a no liner kind of kick lately, so it took me a minute to get back in the groove, but it didn't look too bad, and we're going to cover it up with lashes anyway, so it doesn't matter. And I'm just coating my lashes with the It Cosmetic Superhero Super Lash, whatever, I don't know what it's called, but the It Cosmetics mascara. And now I'm taking the Morphe Hollywood Hills lashes and my black duo glue and just popping those babies on to give my lashes some extra oomph, basically to just give me lashes, period, because I have none. And now one of my favorites besides Hunty from Jeffree Star, I'm using Christmas Cookie on my lips. It's this beautiful nudie pinky color. It's so gorgeous. This has become my favorite, at least favorite for the week. And then I'm taking my Lancome lip gloss. Unfortunately, I lost the sticker on it, so I don't know what color it is. But yeah, and then we're going to finish off with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And voila, here is the final look using the ABH Sultry palette. This palette, even though it's so like plain Jane, you can do so much with it and create so many different looks. So I hope you guys like it. and I am going to be using it a lot more. I just love their eyeshadows. They're so amazing. So I'm going to be giving one of these away to you guys, so stay tuned. Okay, Glam Dolls, so I hope you guys like the look. I wanted to, since I'm giving away the Sultry palette, and I haven't done a lot of looks with it yet, I wanted to show you guys how versatile this simple little palette is. I'm going to open up mine for you guys right here. You guys have already seen it, but you know, this is a great everyday palette. It's a great palette of a lot of cool tones. There are a few warm tones for those of you who like the warm tones. But I'm so glad that companies are finally, I mean, how many warm tone shadows can one person have, you know? It's time to release the cool tones. So I'm glad they did that with a lot of these ones on the bottom row. And it's a great everyday palette and very versatile. You can do everything from a deep smoky eye just to your light everyday look. So that is why I am going to be giving one away in our giveaway. So I'm going to show you guys everything and then tell you guys how you can get entered into winning this bag. So this bag right here, I'm going to start there. This bag was only available at limited quantities through Ulta online, and you had to purchase like so much money worth of Maybelline products to get it, and it's to do with the Maybelline and Nikkie Tutorials highlighter launch that they just did. And so you're going to be getting this bag. I have so many makeup bags. I really thought about keeping it for myself, but I already have so many that I decided to give it to you guys. And it's really big, you guys. As you can see, it's like, it pretty much will hold this exact palette. I'm sure if it was out of the box, it would fit right in there, and like a ton of stuff. It's really big. And then obviously the Sultry palette by Anastasia is also in here, and it is phenomenal. There's the colors right there. You will absolutely love this palette, I promise. And the packaging is just stunning, absolutely stunning. And then next in there, since we got the Nikkie Tutorials Maybelline bag, I am giving away one of the Nikkie Tutorials highlighters that I purchased. I'm wearing mine today, and let me just show you guys mine really quick. Mine has been used every day and has been used to filth. I'm going to have to go ahead and order another one because I am already hitting pan on here. Look at that. That's how much I love it. This is my favorite in the whole world. So I'm going to be giving one away to you guys. But I know that is for very, 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 very fair-skinned gals. So I, a while back, had bought this huge, like, I want to say it was like a couple years ago, bought the Artist Couture. It was like a Christmas or a holiday gift set. And it had like a bunch of minis in there basically, and a lot of them are not my color and they've just been sitting there, so I'm going to give them to you so they can get good use. So not everyone is as fair as me, so I included a couple of darker ones for my medium to dark skin tones, and this one is Lickable by Artist Couture, and they are the mini sizes, but a little bit goes a long way. One of their minis would last me forever. So there's Lickable right there. It's like a bronzy color. And if one of my fair skin girls gets this, you can use this as an eyeshadow. And then for my medium to dark skin girls as well, there is Sugar Daddy, which is another bronzy, beautiful color. And then I'm including for my light to medium Illuminati, which is my favorite by them, but I have the big jars. I have 2 big jars of it, so that's why I'm going to give away the mini. So this is my favorite. It's kind of like a champagne gold, really gorgeous. And then I'm going to give away Cocoa Bling, which is another one of my favorites for you fair-skinned gals, and it's such a great highlighter for the inner corner as well. This is such another one of my favorites by them. So there's 4 right there. In all, you're going to get 5 highlighters between Nikkie Tutorials and that one. And what good is all these highlighters without a good highlighter fan brush? So this is the Artist Couture highlighting fan brush, so I'm going to include that in there for you guys as well. And then, since we're going to be doing a lot of focus around our eyes, I just decided to throw in these Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks to depuff underneath your eyes. They do work very well. I've tried these before. These are really, really great and depuff your eyes and pump a bunch of collagen and moisture into them. If you're aging like I am, we need all the moisture we can get. So I included that in there as well. And then last but not least, I'm including this I don't even know how to say this. Dermovia. I'm going to say it's the Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Most of us, I think, got this in our BoxyCharm. Charcoal really dries my really dry skin out, so I cannot use this, so I decided to give it to one of you gals. This is really, really great. Charcoal is really great for getting all the impurities out, especially if you have acne prone skin. This is going to really clear you out. All it says is to wash your face, apply an even layer of the peel paste to targeted areas, and then you line up the holes of the lace, and then you link it around the back of your ears, and then once you're done, you're going to wear the mask, and then it's going to gently peel the mask off, with, taking that off. So it's like a peel off. So it's going to really exfoliate too, which is great. So yes, that is everything in here. And it feels like there's a little bottle of it in here. So you can probably get a good 2 or 3, it says, 2 lace masks plus a tube. Okay, so, and it says peel intensity level medium. Ooh, yeah, that's interesting. So yeah, you'll get at least 2 wears out of it, and then maybe you can just use, if you have any more left in the bottle, just use it as a peel off. So yeah, you're going to get all of these great goodies. There's going to be one lucky winner for all of this right here. So we're going to go ahead and start today. If this does make it up late Sunday night, it will be the 11th of November, and I'm going to go ahead and run for 2 weeks. So, you know what? 2 weeks in one day because it's going to go up late. So, let's see here. 18th, 25th. So, we're going to leave it up to the 26th because this is my Thanksgiving giveaway, saying thanks to you guys for supporting me and all the love you guys give me. So we're gonna let it run to the 26th, and I will go ahead and draw the winner probably the day after, and then announce the day after that. I need a little time to film, so we'll probably announce by the 27th. So yes, so I'm pretty much gonna do the same thing as always. You got to be subscribed. There's gonna be a link down in my description box right there. I can't even talk. There's going to be a link down in my description box. Same as always. It's going to verify everything for me. It's going to draw the winner for me. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on that link. It's going to verify you're subscribed to me. It is going to verify that you follow me on Instagram. And I'm going to make sure that you guys follow my Facebook page because I'm going to start doing lives on my Facebook page. So I want to kind of build that up and include that out there. And so you're going to get 3 entries for that, okay? And then, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and do one last thing. Go ahead and comment down in the description or not down the description, down the comments. I want you to comment one thing that you are thankful for. And yeah, since it's the giving of thanks, let's talk about what we're thankful for. And yeah, so go ahead and do that, leave that, and do those 3 things and get entered there. But I do want to see what you guys are thankful for down in the comments. So good luck to everyone. I love you all. Thank you again for supporting me and sticking by me through my little hiatus so I can get better this week because I am sick. I probably am not going to have 3 videos up. We'll be lucky if we get 2. So just hang with me in the next couple of weeks as I get better. But we'll be back to 3 a week here and very, very soon. All right, Glam Dolls, love you so, so much, and I will see you guys next time.